और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jawai. Ha ka arphundai tarik unailar arajar arpsan. Kala Pynkup Burom ya ki arspa saupungwat ki Samla Pule. Ki bala Pyndep ya ka kerdan Pule graduate ha ka Bachelors of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, but ha ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate ha ka jingrakhi ya ka Graduation Day. Ya ki Samla la Pynkup Burom da usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela. Uba sengaw bahalang dhar kum ukongsan. Ringkat ke jingsak hilang jong u moderator ke KGP Synod Mingi u Reverend SR Dakhar. Ubala long kum usumbut kongsan. Ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. E Nongbri. Ki dikhot jong ka governing council ki nohikai bat ki Samla Pule. Nalor ki arspangut ki Samla Pule. La Pynkup Burom kerpangru ya ki khendaingut ki toppers. Na ki tenat Pule bapher jong ka college.
Thank you so much, sir. It is a holistic education. No wonder we are to be at par with the rest of the country and even with the rest of other institutions in our state. I would like to put forth, sir, from your honorable chair, since you are taking the initiative to bring up the Thomas Jones Synod College Jawai in the table of the People's College. I would like to request you, sir, and I pray with God's wisdom, you will put more additional posts to the full strength of the science, commerce, non-teaching staff, and also some from the art stream. Why? I'm putting forth to this you, sir. Amongst all the colleges in the East and West Giant Hills, Thomas Jones Synod College is the only non-government college who offer science stream. And with the strength of the students in the enrollment, 2,500 plus, the pass percentage is 74%. We are at par. And if we look to the hills of the Giantia, this is the pride for the hills of the Giantia. Yes, if we listen to the name of the institution, it clearly indicates Thomas Jones, who sacrificed his life across the sea. And coming to the motto, this is one of the Tjsc concept, Tibrio Tible.
So today I'm very happy. It's my privilege, my pleasure to see the young boys and girls, the young leaders, the future of generation, the future of the state, the districts, and the country as a whole to be in front of me. And especially which is also to be happens from my own districts, Giant Hills regions, from our own soil. You see, saying that graduation day, and also I would like to thank Thomas Jones. I know you had this program every year annually in the same manner and discipline spirit. But this is a part of encouragement. Your new life, your new shape is going to start from this day one only. I used to talk jokingly almost every program. I used to use this word. I know everyone like it, especially for the you young boys and girls. Falling in love with a beautiful girl is very easy, but staying in love with her is very tough. Am I right? So that is the meaning of your new beginning started from this life, from today itself. Arrogance bring you nowhere. Moving in the right direction, you'll be one day you'll feel in the right place, in the right position. Exactly what I said just now. Even a right decision is wrong, you decide too late. That is the meaning.
schemes, which I hope through the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the college has received such a grandiose support financially. In spite of the fact, we also understand that multiple schemes we are looking for, multiple schemes have been receiving from the government of Meghalaya. That through the initiative of our great leaders, we can build up our nation in this part of our country through this institution. And ready to risk at the cost of your life. Sometimes you never get what you expected. Situation never come according to your plan. You may experience rejection or being rude by somebody. But I tell you, don't quit at any circumstances, at any situation.
Next, I call Miss Memorial Lingdo, Department Topper, Khasi Honors, securing 70.13% to come on. Arimun Tinkram, Philosophy Honors, securing 61.63% to come on stage. I know it will be tiring, but maybe you can just take a rest and then you continue because they deserve to be applauded. It is their day, their success. So it looks like we have a graduation day. Everyone, please continue. The clap should continue.
You will clap it.
Please clap. I think I have to be the teacher here, standing here, and I will request the students and the teachers and the parents, everyone, the members from the